Hello, YouTubers. I'm doing a little quick video just to show you that what I've actually done after I've broken my nails. You know how we usually get our nails done. I had no jewels on my nails, but this is a good transitional look. I need to polish my nails again, but you see how I did like a boxed shape and I evened them out. And so now I can do things like pick up things easier, but it looks gothic. But this color is not black, it's like a plum color. So when I polish it, it'll look more freshly done. So I just wanted to show you like a good gothic style that you can do, because I'm into like trying to do my own nails. With quarantine, it's very difficult getting your nails done. But then also too, it's fun to do it yourself. So it has a little bit of a sheen still left, but I've actually done dishes in these. It's crazy. Yeah, and then if you're able to, if your polish doesn't glump, add like a sheen coat on top. All right, there you go. Bye.